Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today is not the most exciting video, but it might be a video that one of you out there might need, and it is about replacing the brake lights. Basically, I got my van brand new, and then I haven't driven it for like maybe 2 or 3 days once I got it. Looked outside, actually my dad, he went out and said, "Hey, Anton, son, you know, your brake light has a giant crack in the plastic." And I go, "What? Why? How could this be? Who did this?" And I don't know, it's a mystery, but the dealership sent me a new plastic casing, so I'm going to be replacing that today. Oh, don't worry. Who's a nice and new brake light? Who's a nice and new brake light? You are. We're gonna install you today. Alright, so for this step, we will need a drill and a Phillips driver bit. What we will have to do is we will have to unscrew this plastic thing. Okay guys, this next step is a little bit hard to show you from here, so I'm going to grab the camera. It's going to be maybe a little shaky, but you'll get a better view of what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now what you want to look for are these two weird looking bolt nut things. It looks like that, and then there's also one more that's under here. There's one there, and then one there. So you're going to want to unscrew those. And I'm using an 11/16 bit to get the job done. Just to clarify, you need a socket wrench and an 11/16. Let's get to it. Perfect. And that's what it looks like. Let's do the other one. Yeah, one thing is you're not going to want to drop it, because if it drops, oof, that goes down pretty low. I can't even see down there, it's so dark. Wow. Okay. Don't drop any pieces. Well, now I'm just getting it with my hand. Literally like this. And that's the second one. Alright, so now that those little weird bolt things are taken off, I'm going to move this. Basically, this comes off. And then I'm going to unplug whatever it's plugged to. Wow, I was expecting so many more wires in that, but it's just this guy. Cool. And as you can see, there's a giant crack in there that I did not do. I don't know where that came from, but that thing shocked me. I was freaking out when I got it. You know? Whew. I mean, this thing was my baby. I got it brand new. It's like giving birth to like a new baby, taking it home for 4 days and realizing there's a giant crack in its head. What the heck? Okay, maybe it's not like that. That was kind of a weird example. But you know what I'm saying. It's my baby. Now, I'm going to re-plug it in. This is the new fixture. You can see by the label on it. Really self-explanatory. It's literally just one plug and it goes into this. Alright, so now we're going to go back inside and secure it. Now we are just basically doing what I did earlier in the video, but in reverse. We are now putting everything back together. So once I do some hand tightening on these items, I will then use my socket wrench to make that tight again. That way it doesn't fall out. Doesn't have to be too tight. Ugh, just tight. Okay, that's in. Now, hand tightening the other one.
Focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health. Yeah.
And final step is just to rescrew that black panel back into the van, but I'm not going to waste your time or my time showing you that because you're smarter than that. You can do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped. It was a little bit daunting just to to think about doing the brake light replacement before doing this video. But you know, once you get into it and you're just like looking at it and you actually realize it's not that complicated, super simple. I'm not super handy, so if I can do it, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.